In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename product tabs in WooCommerce. Whether you're customizing your online store for branding purposes or just want to make your product tabs more user-friendly, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. WooCommerce is a fantastic tool for creating and managing an e-commerce website, but sometimes its default settings don't quite align with your vision. Renaming product tabs is a small but impactful adjustment that can help streamline your store and improve the overall user experience. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, the critical step to making any changes to your WooCommerce site is logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, and once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard, which serves as the control center for your website. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the Appearance tab. This menu is where you'll find options to customize your website's design, and for this tutorial, we'll need to access the theme file editor. When you hover over Appearance, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Theme File Editor. Once you're in the Theme File Editor, you'll notice a list of files on the right-hand side of the screen. These are the files that control various aspects of your website's theme. What we need here is the functions.php file. This file contains the functions that determine how certain elements of your site behave. Carefully locate it in the list, and when you find it, click on it to open it. The code inside might look intimidating at first, but don't worry, we're not here to rewrite your website, just to make a small change. The next step is to obtain the code snippet that you'll use to rename your WooCommerce product tabs. There are plenty of reliable sources online where you can find this snippet, such as WooCommerce documentation or trusted web development forums. Make sure the code is specifically designed to rename product tabs so it doesn't interfere with other functionalities of your website. If you're unsure where to find this, a quick search for Rename WooCommerce Product Tabs code snippet should point you in the right direction. Once you've got the code snippet, copy it. Simply select the entire snippet and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and choose Copy. This snippet is what we'll be adding to the functions.php file to make the changes. Now head back to your theme file editor, where the functions.php file is open. Scroll to the bottom of the file and paste the code snippet there. You can do this by clicking at the end of the file, pressing Enter to create a new line, and then pressing Ctrl+V or right-clicking and selecting Paste. With the code added, the next step is to customize it. Look for the section of the snippet that contains the current names of the product tabs. These are typically enclosed within parentheses and quotation marks. For example, you might see something like description, additional information, or reviews. Replace these names with the new names you want to use. For instance, you could rename description to product details or additional information to specifications. Be sure to keep the structure of the code intact and only change the text within the quotation marks. Once you've updated the tab names to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Scroll down and click the Update File button. This action will save the modifications you've just made to the functions.php file. After this, your WooCommerce product tabs will display the new names you've assigned. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully customized the product tabs in your WooCommerce store. It's always a good idea to test your changes by visiting one of your product pages to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.